I'm sorry I had to play it twice, but I thought I was tripping, and I had to make sure I played it to make sure I heard what I thought I heard. Don't drink and drive.